guide for home maintenance for the layman. Section 1: Understanding overhead costs. Definition of overhead costs including insurance, payroll, equipment, and gasoline. An explanation of why labor costs cover more than just the hourly wage of the worker. The importance of overhead costs in maintaining a viable business. Section 2: Essential home maintenance. Electrical systems. Firstly, why circuit breakers trip and how to reset them safely. Secondly, signs of outdated wiring and the need for replacement. Thirdly, common troubleshooting tips for electrical problems. Fourthly, estimated costs for electrical repairs including replacing panels and running new wire. Plumbing systems. Firstly, basic plumbing troubleshooting. Secondly, signs of leaks and clogs. Thirdly, when to call a professional plumber. Fourthly, estimated costs for plumbing repairs including fixing leaks and replacing fixtures. Roofing and siding. Firstly, types of roofing materials and their expected lifespans. Secondly, signs of roof damage and the need for repair or replacement. Thirdly, importance of proper ventilation and insulation. Fourthly, estimated costs for roofing repairs including patching, shingling, and insulation. Driveways and patios. Firstly, types of driveway materials and their advantages and disadvantages. Secondly, common causes of driveway damage and how to prevent them. Thirdly, estimated costs for driveway repairs including patching, resurfacing, and repaving. Section 3: Choosing a contractor. Firstly, the benefits of hiring a licensed contractor. Secondly, how to check a contractor's credentials and insurance. Thirdly, tips for avoiding scams. Fourthly, what to look for in a written contract. Section 4: Troubleshooting and price estimates. Firstly, troubleshooting tips for common home maintenance issues. Secondly, price estimates for various types of repairs. Thirdly, a caveat about inflation and the need to consider it when using estimates. Section 5: Home maintenance calendar. Firstly, a guide to recommended maintenance intervals for different home systems. Secondly, tips for keeping track of home maintenance tasks. Additional features. Firstly, a glossary of common home maintenance terms. Secondly, contact information for reputable contractors in different areas. Thirdly, resources for further information on home maintenance. Let's delve into the specifics of each section to provide a comprehensive understanding of home maintenance. Section 1 focuses on understanding overhead costs. Overhead costs are the expenses a business incurs to keep running, regardless of sales volume. These are crucial for understanding why a service call might cost more than just the technician's hourly wage. Insurance is a significant overhead cost. It covers liability, property damage, and workers' compensation, protecting both the business and the homeowner. Payroll encompasses not only the wages paid to employees but also employer taxes, benefits such as health insurance, and contributions to retirement plans. Equipment includes the cost of tools, machinery, and vehicles necessary for the business to operate. This also factors in maintenance, repairs, and eventual replacement. Gasoline and vehicle maintenance are substantial expenses, especially for businesses that require frequent travel to job sites. These overhead costs contribute significantly to the overall cost of providing a service, explaining why labor costs are more than the simple hourly wage of the worker. Maintaining a viable business requires covering all these expenses, ensuring the company can continue providing reliable services. Section 2 covers essential home maintenance, starting with electrical systems. Circuit breakers trip to protect your home's electrical system from overloads or short circuits. Resetting a circuit breaker is usually a simple task, but it's essential to understand why it tripped in the first place. If a breaker trips frequently, it could indicate a more serious problem. Signs of outdated wiring include frayed insulation, cracked wires, and a burning smell. If you notice these signs, it's crucial to have your wiring inspected by a qualified electrician. Replacing outdated wiring can prevent fires and other electrical hazards. Common troubleshooting tips for electrical problems include checking outlets with a circuit tester, ensuring light bulbs are properly installed, and identifying overloaded circuits. If you're uncomfortable working with electricity, it's always best to call a professional. Estimated costs for electrical repairs vary depending on the scope of the work. Replacing an electrical panel can cost between $800 and $2,500, while running new wire can range from $5 to $10 per foot. These costs depend on factors such as the complexity of the job, the materials used, and local labor rates. Moving on to plumbing systems, basic plumbing troubleshooting includes checking for leaks under sinks and around toilets, ensuring drains are clear of obstructions, and inspecting pipes for corrosion. If you notice a leak, it's important to address it promptly to prevent water damage. Signs of leaks and clogs include water stains, dripping faucets, and slow draining sinks. A clogged drain can often be cleared with a plunger or drain snake, but more serious clogs may require professional attention. Knowing when to call a professional plumber is crucial. For minor issues like a dripping faucet, you might be able to handle the repair yourself. However, for major problems like burst pipes or sewer backups, it's best to call a licensed plumber. Estimated costs for plumbing repairs also vary depending on the type of work. Fixing a leaky faucet might cost between $100 and $300, while replacing a toilet can range from $200 to $500. These costs include labor and materials. For roofing and siding, understanding the types of roofing materials and their expected lifespans is essential. Asphalt shingles typically last 15 to 30 years, while metal roofs can last 40 to 70 years. Tile roofs are even more durable, often lasting over 100 years. Signs of roof damage include missing or damaged shingles, leaks in the attic, and sagging areas. Regular roof inspections can help identify problems early before they become more serious. Proper ventilation and insulation are crucial for maintaining a healthy roof. Proper ventilation prevents moisture buildup, which can lead to rot and mold. Insulation helps regulate temperature, reducing energy costs and preventing ice downs. Estimated costs for roofing repairs depend on the extent of the damage. Patching a small area of shingles might cost $200 to $500, while replacing an entire roof can range from $5,000 to $20,000 or more. The cost depends on the materials used, the size of the roof, and the complexity of the job. Driveways and patios also require regular maintenance. Types of driveway materials include asphalt, concrete, gravel, and pavers. Each material has its own advantages and disadvantages in terms of cost, durability, and maintenance requirements. Common causes of driveway damage include cracks, potholes, and uneven surfaces. These problems can be caused by weather, heavy traffic, and improper installation. Preventing driveway damage involves sealing cracks, patching potholes, and ensuring proper drainage. Estimated costs for driveway repairs vary depending on the type of damage and the material used. Patching small cracks might cost $100 to $300, while resurfacing an entire driveway can range from $1,000 to $5,000. Repaving a driveway is the most expensive option, costing $5,000 to $15,000 or more. Section 3 focuses on choosing a contractor. Hiring a licensed contractor offers several benefits. Licensed contractors have the necessary training and experience to perform the work safely and effectively. They are also required to carry insurance, which protects you from liability in case of accidents or damage. Checking a contractor's credentials and insurance is essential before hiring them. You can verify a contractor's license by contacting your local licensing board. You should also ask for proof of insurance, including liability and workers' compensation coverage. Avoiding scams requires being cautious and doing your research. Get multiple quotes from different contractors and be wary of unusually low bids. Ask for references and check online reviews. Never pay the entire amount upfront, and always get a written contract. A written contract should include a detailed description of the work to be performed, the materials to be used, the price, and the payment schedule. It should also include a clause that allows you to cancel the contract within a certain period. Section 4 covers troubleshooting and price estimates. Troubleshooting common home maintenance issues can save you time and money. For example, if your toilet is running constantly, you might be able to fix it by replacing the flapper valve. If your garbage disposal is jammed, you can try resetting it or removing the obstruction. Price estimates for various types of repairs are provided as a general guideline. However, it's important to remember that these estimates can vary depending on your location, the complexity of the job, and the materials used. Always get multiple quotes from different contractors to get an accurate estimate of the cost. Remember the caveat about inflation when using these estimates. Prices for materials and labor can change over time, so it's important to consider inflation when budgeting for home maintenance projects. Section 5 provides a home maintenance calendar. Regular maintenance can prevent problems from developing and extend the lifespan of your home systems. A home maintenance calendar can help you keep track of important tasks such as cleaning gutters, inspecting your roof, and servicing your HVAC system. Tips for keeping track of home maintenance tasks include creating a checklist, setting reminders on your phone or computer, and scheduling regular inspections. Additional features include a glossary of common home maintenance terms, contact information for reputable contractors in different areas, and resources for further information on home maintenance. The glossary can help you understand the jargon used by contractors and suppliers. Contact information for reputable contractors can help you find qualified professionals in your area. Resources for further information can provide more in-depth knowledge on specific topics. In summary, understanding overhead costs, performing essential home maintenance, choosing a qualified contractor, troubleshooting common problems, and following a maintenance calendar can help you save money, avoid scams, and protect your investment in your home. This guide is designed to empower homeowners with the knowledge and tools they need to maintain their homes effectively and confidently. Let's consider some specific examples to illustrate these points further. Imagine your mother's circuit breaker keeps tripping. Using the guide, she can firstly check if she's overloading the circuit by unplugging some appliances. Secondly, if the problem persists, she can inspect the wiring for signs of damage. Thirdly, if she's not comfortable doing that, she can call a licensed electrician. The guide provides a cost estimate for replacing a circuit breaker, so she'll have a better idea of what to expect. Or suppose she notices a leak under her kitchen sink. Firstly, she can try tightening the connections. Secondly, if that doesn't work, she can consult the guide for basic plumbing troubleshooting tips. Thirdly, if the leak is significant, she can find a reputable plumber through the guide's contact information. This proactive approach empowers her to address home maintenance issues promptly and efficiently, preventing small problems from escalating into costly repairs. Furthermore, understanding the importance of overhead costs can help her evaluate bids from contractors more fairly. She'll realize that the price includes not only the worker's hourly wage but also insurance, equipment, and other essential expenses. This knowledge can help her avoid being swayed by unreasonably low bids that might indicate a scam. The guide also emphasizes the importance of getting multiple quotes and checking a contractor's credentials. By following these steps, she can minimize the risk of hiring an unqualified or dishonest contractor. In addition to these practical tips, the guide provides a framework for long-term home maintenance. The home maintenance calendar helps homeowners prioritize tasks and schedule them throughout the year. This proactive approach can prevent problems before they occur and extend the lifespan of their home systems. For example, regularly cleaning gutters can prevent water damage to the roof and foundation. Inspecting the roof for damaged shingles can catch problems early before they lead to leaks. Servicing the HVAC system can improve energy efficiency and prevent costly breakdowns. By following a consistent maintenance schedule, homeowners can protect their investment and enjoy a comfortable and safe living environment. Moreover, the guide encourages homeowners to take an active role in their home maintenance. While it's important to hire qualified professionals for certain tasks, many minor repairs and maintenance tasks can be handled by the homeowner. This not only saves money but also gives the homeowner a greater sense of control and satisfaction. The guide provides clear and concise instructions for common DIY projects, empowering homeowners to tackle these tasks with confidence. However, it also emphasizes the importance of safety. The guide warns against attempting electrical or plumbing repairs without proper knowledge and training. It also provides safety tips for using tools and equipment. The ultimate goal of this guide is to empower homeowners to make informed decisions about their home maintenance. By providing essential information, practical tips, and resources, it helps homeowners save money, avoid scams, and protect their investment. It also promotes a proactive approach to home maintenance, preventing problems before they occur and ensuring a comfortable and safe living environment. This comprehensive guide is a valuable resource for any homeowner who wants to take control of their home maintenance and protect their investment for years to come. Remember, regular maintenance is key to preserving the value and comfort of your home. Ignoring small problems can lead to bigger, more expensive repairs down the road. By following the advice in this guide, you can keep your home in top condition and enjoy peace of mind knowing that you're protecting your investment. So, take the time to learn about your home systems, schedule regular maintenance, and choose qualified contractors when needed. With a little effort, you can keep your home running smoothly for years to come.